The DEWALT 20V MAX Compact Cordless 5-Tool Combo Kit, 2A, features our 20V MAX Compact 2-speed drill, driver which is lightweight and compact for doing a wide variety of jobs where space is tight. The compact, lightweight 20V MAX 1/4 inch impact driver in DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Tools Combo Kit takes hard-hitting power to hard-to-reach fasteners. The 20V MAX circular saw with a 6.5-inch carbide blade helps you work efficiently by cutting 2x4 boards at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. The 20V MAX grinder features a quick change wheel release, a convenient trigger switch with a lock-off button, and optimized efficiency for extreme runtime to handle the high-demand duty. Use the bright LED flashlight with DEWALT cordless tools to light your work area with 110 lumens of output. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2-speed drill, driver in the Cordless Tools Combo Kit comes with high-speed transmission for optimized versatility. Number 2. 1/4 inch impact driver with single-handed bit loading in the cordless tool set accepts 1-inch bit tips. Number 3. Impact driver features 3 LED lights with a 20-second delay after trigger release for excellent visibility and minimized shadows for the construction tools. Number 4. Bright LED flashlight lights your work area with 110 lumens. Number 5. The grinder features a high-performance 8,000 revolutions per minute motor for demanding cutting and grinding applications. Number 6. Circular saw with 6.5-inch carbide blade can cut 2x4 boards at a 45-degree angle in a single pass for efficient working. Number 7. 20V MAX Lithium-Ion Compact Drill, driver. Lightweight and compact for working in tight spaces for long periods of time. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speed variations for various applications. Number 8. 20V MAX Lithium-Ion LED work light. Provides your workspace more visibility with hands-free use. LED lights last long, shine bright, and have low heat. Number 9. Kit includes Contractor bag, charger, and 2 DCB 203 20V MAX Compact XR Lithium-Ion batteries. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How much cordless time do I get from these tools when fully charged? Answer. It will depend on the tool and the job. Higher RPM tools such as saws and grinders will drain a battery quicker than lower RPM like drills. The batteries in this kit can average roughly 15 to 20 plus minutes of constant use. Question number 2. I just received my 5-tool kit and I have all 5, but the grinder is not part of the XR line as described? Nor is the battery to power it? Answer. The grinder is XR and the batteries are also XR. DEWALT recently changed its labeling and the XR is featured on the large capacity batteries only. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.